Hello, welcome to an episode of the Hardscape Handymen. This right here is a concrete driveway extension. We finished this back a couple months ago. Right here, we started off this job with a removal of some dirt. There was a surprise tree root in the ground, and this bobcat came in handy. So we're just grading up the dirt, getting it ready for concrete. Luckily, that bucket was exactly the length we needed to excavate. Worked out really nicely. Right here, Xavier, my dad, is cutting up the rebar, making sure this concrete is supported correctly. Formed it up. Forgot to get the video of that. You can see the back trailer right there. It's my father's. Comes in handy for bringing, removing trash, bringing base. Never outsourcing any deliveries. All right, so here is the pour day. You can see one of our laborers there in the gray. Me, my dad, and Xavier. My dad, Xavier, and Jonathan were here pouring this thing out. Called in a pump and had a truck going. So here's a nice time lapse. One of our laborers keeping the driveway clean of all excess concrete. There's Xavier and me finishing up the concrete. One day pour, couple hour pour. You can see Xavier there edging when he gets low on his knees. So here is the finished product. Concrete driveway extension, broom finished. Children put their handprints in there. They wanted to leave them right there in the front, no problem. We allowed them to, made it really easy for them. So there you have it. There it was before, just some dirt and grass right there in the corner where the handprints were, and now they have some nice concrete to drive on. Definitely making it easier to get in and out of their vehicle. Pretty ugly dirt area there before. Can't really admit otherwise. Now they have enough driveway to drive all the way up into their gate. Thank you for watching.